How to enter Roblox App Store code. Entering a star code in Roblox application is a way to support your favorite Roblox creator when making a purchase. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch the Roblox application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now once you're logged in, if you navigate to the top right corner, there next to the search icon, you have to tap on the Roblox icon. In case if you can't access that, tap on the avatar icon at the bottom of the interface, and from here, tap on the Roblox icon from the top right corner. That's basically gonna take you to your balance page. Here scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom there is a text that says tap here to add a star code. So tap on tap here. Now you will have a text box where you can enter your star code. So type in your star code or enter the star code provided by your favorite Roblox creator. Ensure you have entered it correctly. Once done, tap on add. After that, you can proceed to finalize the purchase using your preferred payment method, and your star code will be applied in your Roblox account. That's how you can enter Roblox app star code, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.